A budget-friendly external display that promises portability, versatility, and also great value. So if you're on a hunt for a secondary monitor that hits all these three for gaming, work, or even entertainment, then the monitor you can see behind there, not the big one, the smaller one, this might be for you. So let's start with what you get inside the box. Inside, you'll find the monitor in itself, a USB-C to USB-C cable, a USB-A to USB-C cable for power, a mini HDMI to HDMI, and obviously the user manual. So this is pretty generous, especially at this price point. The monitor feels sleek and lightweight right out of the box. It's only 9.3 millimeters thick and features a 4 millimeter narrow border around the display, which is pretty impressive for a portable screen. It comes with the standards already built into the back, so you don't even need to worry about buying anything as such to hold it up. The monitor in itself has a 15.6 inch screen, which I think kind of hits the sweet spot for portability while still being large enough to essentially work on for everyday tasks. The ultra thin display makes it kind of easy to just slip into a backpack, which is perfect for travel or even just commuting. Looking at the sides, you've got all of the ports you need, the 2 USB-C ports and a mini HDMI port. This setup just allows for a ton of flexibility when connected to your devices. I appreciate that the monitor kind of includes all the necessary cables, so you're just ready to go right outside the box. I'm gonna keep this simple. In terms of setting it up, the monitor is incredibly easy. You simply just plug it into your device using the USB-C cable for both power and video, or even just use the mini HDMI if your device doesn't support the USB-C video output. So there's no drivers, no apps, you simply just plug and play, which makes everyone's life easier. I've tested it on my laptop, my Nintendo Switch, and even a PS5, and it just works seamlessly every time. For consoles, I would say you need to power the monitor separately using the USB-C port, and once it's powered, you're good to go. This is ideal for gamers, remote workers, or anyone kind of needing that secondary screen for any external purpose. It features a 1080p Full HD resolution with a 60Hz refresh rate, and the colors are pretty nice, vibrant, picture quality is sharp enough for most tasks, whether you're editing documents, watching movies, or even just general gaming. Before we move on, let's touch upon that gaming aspect of things. It performs well. I played a few rounds on my Nintendo Switch and the response time felt smooth. The 60Hz refresh rate isn't mind-blowing, but it's perfectly adequate for casual gaming or even watching content. The viewing angles are decent too, so you won't struggle if you're actually sharing the screen with someone. If you're playing like Mario Kart on the Nintendo Switch and both of you have got your controllers, shouldn't be a problem. Now this monitor's portability is probably one of its biggest strengths. It weighs just over a pound, making it easy to carry everywhere. Whether you're traveling for work or setting up a quick gaming session at a friend's house, it fits right into your workflow or even leisure time. As you can see on my desk at the back, it doesn't require too much space, and the stand actually does a decent job of holding it upright. I would say though, don't even bend it too far, as it has a nice viewing angle for you to actually adjust the screen. It does feel sturdy, and it just gets the job done for most of your setups. Now let's talk about the main thing here, is the price. The monitor is listed at 180 Canadian dollars on Amazon, but with a current $80 coupon, you can just snatch it for $109. And at this price, I would say it's an absolute steal for what it actually offers, comparing to like monitors with similar specs, often cost significantly more. So it's all down to you and what your budget is and where it actually lies. For me, I didn't want to go too high, and yeah, I just thought, you know what, at this particular price point, I can't really complain. So is the Arzopa portable monitor worth it? I'd say yeah, especially if you need that reliable, budget-friendly secondary screen. It's lightweight, versatile, and kind of delivers a solid performance for work, gaming, or even entertainment. Of course, there are minor downsides like the stand being a bit flimsy, the 60Hz refresh rate not being ideal for any like hardcore gamers. That means do not play Warzone on this, but for most people, this monitor will exceed your expectations at this price point. I'll probably rate it 8 out of 10. Great value, excellent portability, super easy to use, and if you're interested, search up. I'll drop a link down below. Let me know your thoughts. I'll carry on using this, and I'll probably do like a 6 month down the line review on it and see how it gets and see how it's holding up. But thank you for watching, and I will catch you on the next video.